Hey guys, huddle up. It's time for an Around the Storage Block Chalk Talk. In this Chalk Talk, I'm going to introduce you to Nimble Storage. When we acquired Nimble, the comment I heard most was, I didn't see that coming. I've had a look under the hood of Nimble Storage and the people, and I think it's a fabulous fit. So let me jump into this. Digital transformation is a reality. One example, I rely on Google Maps when I travel. If it's slow or it doesn't work, I'm not going to find my way from HPE corporate headquarters in Palo Alto to Nimble Storage in San Jose. Digital transformation means the reliance businesses place in IT has never been greater. Any slowdowns or outages is something Nimble calls the app data gap. Nimble has analyzed the causes of the app data gap. What they found out was very interesting. It's not caused by just one thing, and although storage often gets the blame for most of the problem, in reality, less than half the issues are actually caused by storage. How do we close the app data gap? Through predictive analytics. Collect rich telemetry from across the entire infrastructure stack. Perform global correlation and learning from all systems. And have the process driven by predictive analytics to predict and prevent problems. That leads me to the Nimble Storage Predictive Cloud Platform. InfoSight Predictive Analytics performs just what was described to close the app data gap. And the MultiCloud Flash Fabric, the combination of flash arrays, secondary flash, and multi-cloud storage delivers flash seamlessly across all the components. Together, the Predictive Flash platform brings flash to all applications and delivers something that's reliably fast, radically simple, and makes your environment cloud-ready. InfoSight is a predictive analytics system that processes millions of sensor data points every second from across the infrastructure stack. It processes the information through a combination of predictive analytics, global correlation, comparing across all the systems around the world looking for anomalies, and machine learning in order to predict and prevent problems. And three numbers tell the story. 86%, greater than 99.9999%, and 54%. What does this mean? 86% of all issues are automatically open and solved. The measured availability is greater than 6 nines. And astoundingly, 54% of cases that InfoSight solves are outside of storage. So clearly, InfoSight is the special sauce. I expect to see HPE heavily leverage it. Next, let's look at the MultiCloud Flash Fabric. The MultiCloud Flash Fabric is a single architecture that spans flash arrays, secondary flash, and multi-cloud storage. Let's briefly look at each of these. The Nimble Storage Flash Array family has two categories, All Flash and what Nimble calls Adaptive Flash Array, which combines spinning disks and SSDs. I'll have Chalk Talks that go deeper on both of these, but at a high level they offer sheer performance and scalability. A TCO that's 33 to 66% less than other flash arrays. Absolute resilience, a key requirement for every enterprise. Next, let's look at the secondary flash array. This is brand new, and I have a Chalk Talk that goes into more detail on this. The SFA, which is based on the adaptive flash array with additional deduplication technology, puts your backup data to work, with arrays optimized for secondary workloads. Key points here are cost-effective for data protection, but powerful enough to run real workloads. Eliminate backup and recovery windows and avoid production application impact. Designed and integrated to work with Veeam backup software and any primary array, or use native replication with Nimble Storage. It's ideal for Veeam backup customers who want to run real workloads on secondary data, like dev and test, QA, analytics, and more. The last piece of the multi-cloud flash fabric is Nimble Cloud Volumes. It's an enterprise-grade storage service for AWS and Azure. Easy mobility with simple on-ramp to the cloud, and no lock-in. And you have global visibility to anticipate and prevent issues. And all of the flash arrays, as well as the secondary flash arrays, are cloud-ready. Two last things to cover. First, to look at a product line comparison. We'll look at maximum performance on the left and maximize capacity on the right. The Nimble Storage AF series is the all-flash, and HPE will have the AF1000 available starting in June. The CS series is the adaptive flash array, or hybrid flash. HPE will have the CS1000 and CS1000H available, and the SF series is the secondary flash arrays, and HPE will have the SFA 100 and 300 on our price list. The rest of the product family going up to the AF9000 and the CS7000 will continue to be available through the Nimble Salesforce and channel, and are planned to be available through HPE channels later this year. Lastly, I think this scratches the surface on why HPE has the industry's most complete flash portfolio. and this will also help you see where products fit. First, HPE 3PAR isn't going anywhere. It's the most flexible, unified storage for the all-flash data center. Nimble is the simplest, predictive and cloud-ready. Customers using Nimble Storage absolutely love the experience. The HPE MSA and Store Virtual 3000 are the most affordable, and ideal storage for the performance needs of small sites. And there's HPE SimpliVity, hyper-converged software-defined infrastructure that makes hybrid IT simple. I have 2 URLs to learn more. NimbleStorage.com is a great place to learn more or request a demo. And as we fold Nimble Storage in, you'll want to remember hpe.com/storage/Nimble Storage. Always love to hear from you on Twitter, where you can find me as Calvin Zito. You can find my blog at hpe.com/storage/blog. Until next time, thanks for joining me on this Around the Storage Block Chalk Talk.